This last page for today, guys, you are going to be focusing just on typography. So make sure you've got a good cover that you know you're going to be able to talk a bit about with typography. So down the bottom here, I'm commenting on typography size. So my first subheading is just going to be size. This one's going to be style. And this one, it says color, a comment on the color and how it suits the image. So I'm just going to write color and suitability. Okay, so looking at my example, obviously yours is going to be different. So you have to be a bit logical in how you're going to talk about this. But first of all, it says comment on the size. So I'm looking at the relative sizing of mine compared to the cover. I might be able to fit 3 of these headings down my page. So it doesn't take up all of the space on the cover, it takes up about 1/3. So the title on this cover takes up approximately 1/3 of the space. It is positioned at the top in the center. Okay, again, just make it smaller so that it fits. Next one, style. So what I'm going to do for this is I'm going to be thinking immediately, is it the sans serif font or is it just a plain serif font? So with my example here, this one is the sans serif, so it does not have the little marks that come off the letters. Yours might be different though. So if you're not sure, you can easily Google it if you've forgotten what they are. But the font used is sans serif. And I want to also describe a little bit more about it. So in terms of style, I'm thinking I can see some splatters. There are splatters visible, which fits with the theme. It is bold and easy to read. And again, just making it smaller. Colour and suitability. So obviously mine is red, and I also can see how there's imagery that's been included as part of the heading. So the zombie little figurine here actually makes up the I in Ireland. So those sorts of things is what I want to comment on. So let's have a look here. The colour red is used in all letters, resembles blood, similar to what is on the zombie. Okay, so it kind of ties in there. The red is also eye-catching and contrasts against the background, ensuring the viewer remembers the title of the game. So for suitability, I'm just going to comment how there's that imagery that I mentioned has been used. So the eye in Ireland is a zombie image which suits the theme of the game. A palm tree has also been included to divide the words. And again, just resizing to make that smaller. Okay, so that's all you need to do, thinking about how typography has been used in that particular design.